Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to Laura's Garden. Okay, this is my compost pile. Let's put some watermelon lime in it. After one night of cold, my plants were looking awful, so I decided to go ahead and pull all my peppers, and at a later date, I'll try to either pull them up or see if I can overwinter them. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna harvest some of these jalapeno peppers here. This is not jalapeno, but these are. Let's take this glove off. They can get so much bigger if the cold just let them do their thing. This is what I'm talking about right here. My son loves jalapenos, but when he tasted that red jalapeno, he's like, that's all right, Mom, don't make me no hot sauce. They too hot. I did make him some hot sauce last year out of habanero peppers, and they're hotter than jalapenos. But I'm still gonna make my hot sauce. I'm gonna leave a couple of them on there, but I don't want to leave a whole lot of my harvest on here for them to spoil by the cold. I don't know. I don't know if I'm doing the right thing or not, but I won't mind. I won't mind. Give me me. Okay, there's a couple of more small ones on there. Look at there, look at there. I think I wanna let it go. Let it go. But it might be another TKO. So I'm gonna pull them. How big them things is. Tell me this. Will jalapeno peppers turn red if picked early? Oh, yeah. I'm gonna try to pickle these. I'll show you a complete harvest once I get done. And this is my first time harvesting these many jalapeno peppers. Last year, hardly anything. Okay, Mr. B. Okay, okay. Mm. And that don't look like no honeybee either. What kind of bee that is. Boom. Let me get back to my harvest. What their potentials are, how big they can get. I'll have to use that one soon. Okay. Let me see if I can get him. That's not good. Woo. You can't get my tomatoes, so you decide to get my peppers. Well, it ain't happening. Sorry. Yes, he is. Yes, him is trying to be famous. Let me tell you what I got for him today. You see him? Now you see him? Now he's in two. Won't live to bite another tomato. Or a pepper. I just wanted to show you my okra plant. It's coming along fine. Thank you for coming along with me during my pepper harvest. Cubanellas, Hungarian peppers, and jalapenos. I hope you enjoyed watching as much as I did harvesting. Thank you. And we did get a little bit of mint for my mint tea. Thank you.